Hello and welcome back to your own channel Indian Defense Analysis, where we bring to you all the latest development happening in the defense sector.
The Mica missiles have been designed to meet the requirement of the French Air Force for an advanced fire-and-forget air-to-air missile capable of medium and short-range engagements. The Mica missiles are suitable for close-in dogfight combat where they can engage multiple targets beyond the visual range. It can operate in heavy countermeasure environments. There are two Mica variants, Mica RF, which has an active radar homing seeker, and Mica IR, which has an imaging infrared homing seeker. Both the seekers are designed to filter out countermeasures such as chaff and decoy flares. The Mica AR is a stealth missile due to its passive infrared sensors. A thrust vector control unit fitted in the rocket motor increases the missile HDT. The missile is capable of lock-on after launch, which means it is capable of engaging targets outside its seekers at launch acquisition range. Mounted on Rafale, the Mica IR can provide the IR imagery to the central data processing system, thus acting as an extra sensor. Indian Air Force presently uses 200 Mica IR and 1000 Mica RF missiles that are integrated on upgraded Mirage 2000 and Rafales. Additionally, Indian Air Force has also successfully tested Mica missiles from its Su-30 MKI fighters. Clearly, Mica fits into most of the fighter jets in Indian inventory. MBDA is also developing the next generation of the Mica air-to-air missile for the French Air Force and French Navy, and a missile system which is called Mica NG. The missile will also be passed on to its export customer of Dassault Rafale and Dassault Mirage 2000 fighter jets operators in near future when it will be ready in 2026. Clearly, India is one of the biggest operators of the French jets with 36 Rafales and 50 Mirages in its inventory. The Mica NG will replace Mica missiles currently operational in service with French armed forces and exported to 14 countries worldwide, including India. However, India has also developed its indigenous beyond visual range missile Astra Mk1. Then why should it opt for MBDA's Mica NG? Astra Mk1 has only been integrated with Su-30 MKIs, and its integration with Tejas is still in progress. It is still not integrated with Rafale and Mirages and does not have clearance from France for integrating it with Rafale. Therefore, there are good chances that Indian Air Force will procure these missiles in some numbers to operate from its French fighters. It is more effective against stellar targets, which is one more reason to go for it. Mica NG is a second generation of Mica, designed against stealthy targets. It will feature an infrared seeker that will use a matrix sensor, providing it greater sensitivity. It will also feature an AESA RF seeker. The upgraded NG program includes an extensive redesign of the current Mica family while keeping the same aerodynamics, mass and center of gravity. The Mica NG will include new seekers and a new propulsion system. It will have an extended range of 100 kilometers, and the bipulse thruster will enable it to have excellent maneuverability in terminal phase.
This was today's update. Please let us know what is your views about these in comment section. Feel free to post your comments and suggestions about any topic related to defense sector on which you want to hear from us. With this, I would like to say goodbye and Jai Hind friends. Please like and subscribe our video if you have not done already. We will be soon back with more interesting and amazing development happening in defense sector.